What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Jack Sports Breaks. Today is Thursday, April 15th, 2021. We're doing our final box of 2021 Bowman Baseball First Edition. This is pick your team number 5. Who's got who? You can see him in the top left there, but I'll go through it alphabetically as usual. Alex C. with the Diamondbacks, Andrew M. Phillies, Brian D. with the Pirates and Blue Jays, Carl E. Dodgers, Chris H. Cubs Twins, Dan B. with the Tigers and Mariners, Dan L. with the Astros, Angels, Athletics, Cardinals, Doug W. Indians, Eric G. with the Reds, Rockies, Marlins, Brewers, Nats, Greg H. White Sox, Rays, Ian H. with the Padres, Jim W. Red Sox, Jonathan F. Yankees, Mark J. Mets, Richard B. Giants, Sean M. Braves, Royals, and Tim S. with the Orioles and Rangers. Bowman Black, he says. Yeah. Alright, good luck everybody. Triple check, make sure everything looks good. Yeah, we look good. We look good. Good luck. All card chip. Just a reminder, no hitless credit, just because it's one box, and I'll be losing my mind if we actually get an auto out of this. And that's all I got. Alright, everybody. It's like a different kind of cellophane. I don't know if you guys have opened up a box of this yet. It's really thick. Thanks. Here's your empty. And we're off. Colton Welker, Jeremy Pena, Josh Young, Alvarez, Cody Hose, Jared Kelly, nice one there for the White Sox, Pete Crow, Ivan Johnson, Jordan Walker, and Yolbert Sanchez. Nice Yolbert. Good White Sox pack with Jared Kelly and Yolbert in there. Justin Foscue, Eddie Diaz, Ramos, Tristan, Uner Severino, Downs, Jose Tena, Xavier Edwards, Nick Allen, and there he is, Austin Martin. Nice and early. It's got those J's. Brian, you can breathe. You got the base. You got the base. Very nice. Austin Martin. James Beard, Grayson Rodriguez, India, Matt Manning, Ramirez, Feliciano, D.L. Hall, Quest Gilbert, and Blaze Jordan. Red Sox. We got the Red Sox. Jim, you can breathe. There you go. 2 big dogs right out of the gate. Aaron Sabato must be next, right? Or Mick. Could be Mick. Nolan, Stott, Christopher Morel, Kirby, Terang, Meyer, Henderson, Shoemake, and Bobby Miller. We had a box yesterday where this entire right side didn't have a parallel, and then this left side was entirely parallels. Just wondering if we're seeing that same trend here, which is just odd. Emerson, Peraza, Cade Cavalli, Tyler, Espino, Simeon Woods, Thompson, Julio Rodriguez, nice one, Lodolo, and Volpe. Maximo, that's a nice one for the Rangers. Paguero, Mania, nice Robert Hassel, Choi. There's Mick for the Phillies. Nova, Wander, another nice one. Fulton and Bo Naylor. Good pack. Good pack. I was gonna say something. Yeah, just really hoping all those parallels are on the left again. It's not looking good on the right. It's just odd. Odd configuration of the packs. I'll do a hit recap of everything I'm top loading at the end, guys. Bigger names, parallels, when we see one. Zach Veen, nice one, Rockies. Nick Lofton, Vavra, there's Dominguez, Nick Matten, Gomez, Reyes, Vaughn, Zamora, Chatham, big Jason Dominguez. There's Reed, Gray, Dingler, Walston, Manoa, Jordan, Blade, Ed Howard, Bishop, Jordan Adams. Larnick, Martin, there's Bobby Witt, there you go. Oh, and Adley. And Sabato. Oh, look at that run. Jake Vogel, Cavaco, Perdomo, Rosario. Very nice. Sabato. Big dog on campus. There you go, Twins. Chris, there you go. You can breathe too. Nice Adley. Want to see him play soon. And Bobby Witt, who went off during spring. So we'll see when they call him up. Thompson, Cabrera, Riley. I haven't seen a Riley Green railings. Wells, Ramos, Garcia, Trammell, Talia, Bailey, Langoliers. Jonathan India, Beatty, Feliciano, another Julio, another Dominguez. Chatham, Green, Howard, Davidson, Blaze, 2 Blaze. There we go. Double up. Love when the top loaders stick together. That's fun. Blaze and Jason. I think your Bowman and actually Diamond Kings comes out around the same time, so we'll be doing something with Diamond Kings as well. Mackenzie Gore, Manning, Mania, Gorman, there's a nice Hassel, Adams, Nick Allen, Peraza, Royce Lewis, Jackson Rutledge. All right, now to the left side. Come on. All right, come on. Don't tell me we're not going to get any. I'll lose it. Gianna, Vogel, Thompson, Pena, York, Mauricio, Baz, Cavaco, Brennan Davis, Ed Howard. Hey, there we go. Okay, here they come. Robert, nice one, Robert. There's Wander, Soderstrom, Bishop, Beater, Gunner, Julio, Christian. We got Pena. We got a National, Jackson Rutledge. Sky blue foil. They do exist. It's like the M&M commercial. What's Santa? Wander is our second Wander. Alright, let's get the parallels going here. Let's get something numbered too. Gomez, Diaz, Miller, Vavra, Beard, Zamora, Freeman, Choi, Garrett Mitchell, nice one, and Jeremy De La Rosa. That's either gold or yellow. Nice. Luis Garcia, Jeter Downs, another Bobby Witt. Thompson, Dahlquist, another Dominguez. Third Dominguez. Nolan Jones, Hendrick, Cabrera, Orioles, Yusniel Diaz, 60/75 for the O's. Maybe saving him for Chrome, Andrew. Sometimes it's nice because I feel like they overload your regular Bowman and then kind of leave some big names out of Chrome. So it could be nice to see some big names in there as well. Although look what happened with 2016 Chrome. That thing's like, I don't even, it's like thousands of dollars a box now because it has Guerrero, Tatis, and Soto in it. What a product that turned out to be. We did a case of that when we first started, and I think I got a case of it for like $600, and we did it. Oh, I'm so upset. I went back and watched the video. We pulled a Soto. I had no idea who he was. Unbelievable. Cabrera, Manning, Liberator, Terang as a Wander, Forrest, Whitley, Gorman, Duran, Christopher Morel, and Welker. It was like right as that product wasn't, they weren't big prospects yet. Weird. Oh, I hear you, man. Marsh, Thompson, Nolan, Baz, Bruhan, Grayson Rodriguez, Soderstrom, Feliciano Cavaco, and Amaya. You know, I actually went and I looked today because I like the way this guy Jazz Chisholm is playing on the Marlins. He came up with the D-backs. I think he's part of the Zach Gallen deal. And I like the way he's been playing, so I went to go look at his first Bowman, and it's over $100. It's like I didn't even have a chance. It's like the guy just got up. High ceiling got, yeah. Talia, Royce Lewis, Davis, Bailey, Ramos, Miller, Hall, Langoliers, and Indians, Nolan Jones, Sky Blue, Doug. There's almost like no getting guys early anymore. They're just taking chances on everybody now. There we go. We got another parallel. There they go. Freeman, Posey, Amaya, Hassel, Young, Volpe, Gorman, Beard, Larnick, and Larnick. Back-to-back Larnick. There's twins. There's a Mick. Feeder, Vlade, Kelnick, Westberg, Alvarez, Gorman, Seth Beer. I think this is going to be the number one pitching guy to go after in Bowman. O'Neal Cruz, Mania, Espino, Gilbert, Severino, Baz, there he is again. Bo Naylor, Fulton, our Sky Blue. I always like to peek to see if I can see a first Bowman. We do not, and it's Drew Waters for the Braves. I like to peek, see if we get that first coming. Little teaser. There you go, Bravos. Sean. Oh, there's Nick. What do we got? Two packs left. Here we go. Let's end with some parallels. Give me something numbered. Foscue, Lynch, Lacey, Meyer, Bishop, Fulton, Isaiah Green, Coar, Espino. Ooh, there he is, number 2. Our second, Austin Martin. Very nice. And the final pack, guys. Sky Blue in the back. Here we go. Peraza, Figuera, Riley, Alexander Ramirez, Lodolo, Casey Martin, Cavalli, Josiah Gray, Lacey, and we got a Royal Ace Lacey. And show it again. Give me a minute here, guys, to just organize the recap. Obviously, we're going to send an email out when we do list Bowman. But if you want to know instantly, which I know most of you guys like, Follow us on Twitter, because the second I post something on the site, it automatically pushes to Twitter. So you'll definitely be one of the first to know. That's the best way to find out when we're posting. There's Blaze. Cool. And that's at Jag Breaks. Right there. Alright, there's the base guys, and here's the parallels. Alright, a quick hit recap here for PYT, number 5, fifth and final box. Bowman first edition. Here we go. We got 1 Aaron Sabato, 1 Maximo Costa, 1 Yolbert Sanchez. We got an Adley. We got 2 Bobby Witts. We got 3 Wanders. 3 Wanders for the Rays. Couple of 3 Dominguez. Frank Vincent right there. Couple of 3 things. Mick, we got 3. 2 Blaze Jordan and 2 Austin Martin. Nice big names. We're pulling 2 of them. And the parallels. Sky Blues not numbered. We had Jackson Rutledge, Nolan Jones, Trevor Larnach, Drew Waters, Asa Lacy, and the yellow to 75, Yusniel Diaz, 60 to 75 going out to the O's. That's going to do it for the break, guys. I appreciate it. I'm going to try to get all this stuff shipped out tonight so it's in the mail tomorrow. So keep it moving, right? All right, guys. I appreciate it. Be on the lookout for Bowman, like I said.